Oh, here comes my dog. I can see that coat's eyes. You're a good girl. It's okay, we scared them off. You're doing good. You come up here, duck. Come on, Weave, you want to go get a hot dog? Let's get a hot dog. Come on, let's go get a hot dog. Here's Howie. You want a hot dog? You get one? Want a piece of hot dog? Come on, there you go. Here you are. You want a piece of hot dog? Yes, you do. You're so gentle. No, you don't want a hot dog. Mother cow's got you nervous, huh, babe? Come on. There you go. You can have part of Weave's. She's been eating on that deer for like 3 days now. There you go. So pretty. You're so pretty. Love you, buddy.